So in one of my videos, we talked about the column widget, and we say that we use the column widget when we want to align our items vertically, right? But there is one problem that arises when we use the column widget. For example, if we take a look at this, we have the column widget, and then let's copy this container widget and let's paste it. And then let me restart the application and you will see. So instead of returning let's cover this with the scaffold widget. As you can see, we have this bottom overflow error. It's because the widgets now have exceeded this screen, so now the column widget can't scroll. So that's why we are getting this overflow error. So one way of fixing this is using what we call a list view, right? We use the list view widget. So let's just get rid of the column widget. And then let's just use the list view. And then for the list view, we can provide it with an with scroll direction, which is axis dot vertical, since we want to scroll vertically, right? And then we provide it with the children, which the children parameter, which takes in a list of children. So now if we paste, if we just paste these container widgets, as you can see, let me just reload the application. As you can see now, we don't get an overflow error. Instead, our widget, the list view, is now allowing us to scroll downwards. So that's the purpose of a list view. If you have items, many items, it's better to wrap them in a list view so that your UI becomes scrollable, right? But also there is another case with the list view. We have the list view widget, and then we have the builder widget. There are two different types. So the list view dot builder, we use the builder when we have items that we don't know. If we have items that we don't know their size, right? So let's just create a list of posts. Let's say maybe Twitter posts, and then let's just say post 1, post 2, post 3, post 4, post 5, and post 6. The last one will be post 7, right? Something like this. So how do we display this post? So the first thing that I would do, I would want to just get rid of this children getting rid of these container widgets, right? Let's get rid of this container widget, and then let's just create another. Let's just say let's just say components, right? Components, and then let's just call it a post widget to that. Let's make it a stateless widget. Then we just say post widget, and then let's import the material.dat library. Yeah, as you can see now, let's just say it's going to accept a string of type post. And then we need to pass this string into the constructor. Required this.post, right? And then let's get rid of the constant here, and then yes, let's leave this one as a container. Let's give it a height of 200, and then let's give it a width of in double dot infinity. That means that it must fill the whole width, right? Infinity. And then let's give it a color. Colors dot orange. Then let's give it a child, which is a text, and inside the text let's just pass in the post, right? Something like this. Yeah, so we are good to go. So in our list view, let's just change this to ListView.builder. Let's just change it to ListView.builder, and then let's just get rid of this. We also need an item count, so this item count is going to count the number of items from, maybe if it is our database. In this case, it's our list of posts. So let's just say posts dot length, and then we also need to give it a scroll direction. We said it's axis dot vertical, and then we also need an item builder. So inside the item builder, we give it a context and also the index. So this index is used to identify the items. Is used to identify the items from the post. For example, if the index is 0, that means that it's post 1. If index is 1, that means it's post 2. If the index is 3, that means it's post 4, and so on, right? So inside our item builder here, we are going to return our post widget, right? We are going to return our post widget, and inside this post widget, we are going to pass in the posts, and then the index, and then also the index, right? Something like this. So if we reload our application, okay, so now what we just need to do here is, let's just give our post widget a padding, and then let's yeah, as you can see now, we now have our posts here. We have post 1, post 2, post 3, post 5, post 6, post 7. So that's what a ListView widget is. So we have the ListView widget, and then we have the ListView.builder. We use the ListView.builder when we don't know the number of items, that the size of items. For example, if we are receiving items from a database or from an API, that's when we use the ListView.builder. Thank you guys for watching my video. So if you found this video useful, please make sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my videos. And please share the link with your friends. Cheers.